So today we will be studying a topic known as conjunctive zwei oder Katzwei. This topic exists only in German language and such topic doesn't exist in English or Hindi. So of English we can say it as a polite form of verbs. In German, there exist which verbs we have studied are Hilfsverb, which is sein and haben. Next is Hauptverben, which is helfen, spielen, and most of verbs belong to this category. And next is Modalverben. Modalverben are verbs like können, müssen, mögen, möchten. All these verbs belong to the category known as Modalverben. And alle Verben, each and every verb has its Kat-Zwei form, conjunctive Zwei form. So the the question is, why do we need Kat-Zwei? Kat-Zwei is the polite form of any verb. Okay. First of all, today we will be studying about Kat-Zwei von Modalverben. Okay, and in next lecture we will be studying Kat-Zwei von andere Verben, other verbs. So Modalverb, as you know, es gibt 6 Modalverben auf Deutsch. Können, müssen, sollen, wollen, mögen und dürfen. Alle Modalverben haben auch Kat-Zwei. Okay, alle Verben have its Kat-Zwei form. So alle Modalverb auch has its Kat-Zwei form. Die Bedeutung von Präsens und Kat-Zwei ist immer gleich. The meaning of the verbs in the present form and in the Kat-Zwei is always same. Die Frage ist, wie bildet man Kat-Zwei von Modalverb? Next question is how we can form the Kat-Zwei of modal verbs. ठीक है. First of all, we will be writing the preteritum von allen modal verb. ठीक है. Then we will add umlauts except for wollen and sollen. Hinzufügen is a verb. It is a trennbar verb which means to add on. So fügen Sie umlauts hinzu. Außer wollen und sollen, and außer is except for wollen and sollen. Die Konjugationen von ich und sie sind gleich. The conjugation is completely same for ich and sie. Und for du es ist Kat-Zwei plus st, and for ihr es ist Kat-Zwei plus t. Und für wir ist es Kat-Zwei plus n und sie it's Kat-Zwei plus n. Now what is the Kat-Zwei von modal verbs? Können is can, to be able to, in the present form. The preteritum von können is konnte, could, was, were, able to. And Kat-Zwei von können is könnte, could, would, be able to. And next, wollen is to want, to intend. Und wollte is wanted and intended. Und wollte is would want, would intend. The main frage that comes into our brain is the wollte for the preteritum and the wollte for the Kat-Zwei is exactly same. Then how we will be differentiating? We will be differentiating with the help of the context, whether we are talking about the past or whether we are talking about the polite form. So next is sollen. Sollen means should. Sollte also means should, and Kat-Zwei sollte also means should. Here also we again go with the context. Für dürfen it is may, to be allowed to. For preteritum form, it is durfte, dufte, might, were able to. And Katsua is dürfte, dürfte, would be able to, would be allowed to. Okay. And next is müssen. Müssen is must, have to, need to. Und preteritum form of müssen is musste, musste, must, had to, needed to. Und Katsua is müsste, müsste. Next is mögen. Mögen is to like. And preteritum is mochte, mochte. It's liked. And möchte is to would like. We would be imagining like in A1 we have studied that möchte is a separate modal verb, but it is not. Möchte ist Katzweif von mögen. It is a polite form of mögen. Like mögen is I like, and möchte is to would like, I would like. Okay, so next, möchten ist Katzweif von mögen. Katzwei gehört zu Präsens. Katzwei exists only in presence. We cannot use Katzwei for preteritum or for future. Okay, we can use Katzwei only for presence. Katzwei, wenn wir etwas höflich aussehen möchten, when we want to express something polite, we benutzen wir immer Katzwei. We use Katzwei. Zum Beispiel, ich mag Kaffee trinken. So it is a presence form. I like to drink coffee. Ich möchte Kaffee trinken. I would like to drink coffee. So this Katzwei makes the sentence more polite. Okay. Hope you have understand this chapter. May this lecture has made your concepts more clear. Okay, please do share my video, follow my channel. Bis bald.